I am Mr. Corey, and welcome to another Beyond the Book episode. I will read you guys a cool book and show you a cool craft. It's a lot of fun. And today's theme is outer space. I got all my cool astronaut friends with me, so they're going to sit here and listen to our cool book, which is called Out There. And then later we're going to do a craft which you can get in your virtual to-go pack. If you go to our website, you can register for a pack or see the material list and do the craft yourself. There's also other activities in the pack as well, so definitely check it out. All right, so why don't we start with our book, Out There by Tom Sullivan. Have you ever looked up at the night sky? Yeah, of course. Hasn't everyone? But have you really looked past the moon and the other planets, deep into outer space? And have you ever wondered if there is anybody else out there? You mean like aliens? Yeah, there could be creepy extraterrestrials with big heads watching us. What about evil robots with tentacle arms? Or maybe there are cool aliens with blasters and planets with futuristic cities. What if instead of all that, though, there is a world out there somewhere that is just like ours? It could be filled with the strangest creatures and cute ones, too. There might even be intelligent life, just like us, only different. Maybe they're obsessed with technology like we are, or maybe they're not. There might be places where they've ruined their planet, and places where they've kept it clean. Places where they're kind, and places where they're mean. There could be places just like here, with families just like ours. Other people out there on a planet who call the universe their home. I mean, if space is as big as they say it is, we can't be the only ones who live here, right? Wait a second. You don't actually believe in aliens, do you? The end. And that is our space book for today. So, for our craft, we're going to be making sort of a space mobile. So, we're going to go in to our kit and see what materials we need. We're going to get some dowel rods, some paper circles, some stars, and some pom-poms on strings. So, we got all the stuff. Pipe cleaner. All right, so let's get to assembling this stuff. So you may also need some scissors and some glue and some sort of coloring utensil like a marker or crayon. I got markers. So first, these circles here, these are going to be, we're going to make some planets. So for the planets, you're going to need to color 4 circles, and you're going to give them the same pattern because they're going to be different sides of the same circle. So, for example, I'm going to give this one a purple streak. And then an orange streak. This is planet purple orange. Okay, so then you're going to take your circles, you're going to fold them in half with the side that you colored on the inside. So let's fold them all in half. Okay, and now we're going to attach them. So using your glue stick, or if you got tape, you can do that too. You're going to put a little on the clear side, then you're going to attach two of them together. And then you got like a half circle. Put some more glue down. You're going to attach your third one up there. Really, they kind of look like three tacos all next to each other. But anyway, then we're going to attach our fourth one. You're going to put glue on the one side. So yeah, so there you go. So now you got like a row of tacos, and then you're going to attach them on the back side with some glue up here, and press it down. Make sure everything is stuck together. All right, and then you're gonna unfold it, and you're gonna have sort of a 3D planet ball. So, and it kind of spins too. So, so now we're gonna move on. Let's color our stars. I'm gonna color this one this bright red. And then for the stars, you're going to want to color both sides because since it's a mobile, it's going to spin. You need to see both sides of it. Okay, for this other one, I'm going to color this one red, orange. Alright, so we got our stars colored, we got our planet. So the pom-poms, like I said, they're going to be on strings. We're going to use those strings to attach them to the mobile. And then we're going to start assembling it. So you're going to take your dowel rods, you're going to put them over top each other, form like a cross. Then you're going to tape your pipe cleaner and start wrapping it around the center. Wrap it around a couple times. All right, and then your mobile base is secure. You can like push it a little to make it a little bit more even, like that. There we go. So now let's start with the pom-poms. We're going to take them and we're going to tie them around the one end of the dowel. You can get in the hole. But you could also use tape to like assemble it if you want to do it that way, which I might do in a second. Yeah. Okay, so this might be a tape situation. All right, tape. So we're going to tape our tape. We're going to tape the end of the string to the dowel rod. Okay, so that's one side. I'm going to put our other over on this side. Okay, then we're going to take some more string. We're going to take that and attach our stars next. And I'm going to use the tape on the one side, secure the star to the string, and then tape the other end of it to our mobile. Okay, and then I'm going to put our planet on the other side. So if you have a hole puncher or just punch a hole in it with like a pencil, then you got like a hole there. Tape it. Okay, then let's see how this is looking. Yeah, this should be good. Let me cut that extra string right there. All right, and there you have it. You have your mobile. So like this one is a little off center, so how about we add something to increase the weight on this side. Let's add a second star. Okay, how about now? Yeah, a little bit more even. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, so there you go. There is your outer space mobile with your cool alien planets and stars. So, pretty awesome. So you can hang it up somewhere nifty. There. And that is all of today's episode. So definitely check out the sevenpubliclibrary.com website for future events and future Beyond the Book episodes. And then for more information about the Virtual To Go Kids, all that will be on our online calendar. So until then, have a good one. Bye.